Hello, everyone. I'm James. Welcome back to Easy English for Better You. Today, we will talk about a special place. It is a place you go to every day. What if I told you the shower is the perfect place to learn English? Not just learn, but to perfect your pronunciation. It sounds strange, I know, but there is a secret to this method. A secret that connects sound, your body, and your memory. If you watch until the end, I will tell you exactly what that secret is. It will change the way you practice English forever. Part 1. Your private English studio. Think about your shower. It has walls. It has water. And it has you. It is a private room. No one is listening. No one is judging you. You can speak freely. You can make mistakes. This is very important for learning. Fear stops learning. The shower removes that fear. Now, think about the sound. Have you ever sung in the shower? Your voice sounds great, right? It sounds louder. It sounds clearer. This is because of the bathroom tiles. The small space makes your voice echo a little. This is called resonance. It's a powerful tool. When you speak English in the shower, you can hear your own voice very well. You can hear the small sounds. You can hear the music of the words. This is the first step to better pronunciation. You need to hear yourself clearly. There is another element, the water. The sound of the water is constant. It is a rhythm. Shh. It's like a soft drum beat. This beat can help you. It can help you speak with a steady rhythm. English has a rhythm. It is not flat. Some words are strong. Some words are weak. The water sound helps you feel this natural flow. Your private room, your clear voice, and a natural rhythm. The shower is your personal English studio. Part 2. The 1 sentence a day method. You don't need to study for hours. Just 1 sentence a day. That's it. The goal is quality, not quantity. We want to master 1 sentence. We want to say it perfectly. We want to remember it forever. How do you choose your sentence? Choose something useful. Do not choose, "The book is on the table." You will probably never say that. Choose a sentence you can use in real life. For example, if you are learning for travel, you can choose, "Could you tell me how to get to the station?" If you are learning for work, you can choose, "Let's schedule a meeting for next week." If you want to be more friendly, you can choose, "It was really nice talking to you." Make it personal. Make it useful for your life. This is where many people stop. They have a place. They have a sentence. They stand in the shower. They repeat the sentence 10 times. It was really nice talking to you. It was really nice talking to you. It was really nice talking to you. And the next day, they forget it. Or they remember the words, but they sound like a robot. This method is good, but it is missing something. And this is where most people give up. They think, this is not working for me. My memory is bad. My pronunciation is terrible. That is not true. You are not missing ability. You are missing one small but powerful mental switch. It's the difference between memorizing words and truly communicating. If you learn this one switch, you will not just remember the sentence, you will own it. You will feel it, and you will be able to use it naturally without thinking. Let me show you this critical switch right now. Part 3. The mental switch. From words to feelings. The switch is this. Connect the sentence to an emotion. Connect it to a real memory or a future dream. Our brains do not remember boring information very well, but our brains remember feelings perfectly. Let's try it together. Our sentence is, "It was really nice talking to you." Don't just say the words. Close your eyes for a moment. Think of a person you enjoy talking to. It could be your best friend, your mother, a kind coworker. Imagine a real conversation with them. Imagine you are finishing the conversation. You feel happy. You feel warm. You feel connected. Now, say the sentence with that feeling. It was really nice talking to you. Feel the smile on your face as you say it. The sentence is not just words anymore. It is a real feeling. It is a real experience. Let's take another example. The sentence is, "I'm really looking forward to it." What are you looking forward to? A vacation? A weekend with no work? Seeing a movie you want to see? Picture that thing in your mind. Feel the excitement. Feel the happiness. Now, say the sentence with that excitement. I'm really looking forward to it. Your voice will change. Your energy will change. And your memory of that sentence will become 10 times stronger. This is the mental switch. You are not a machine repeating sounds. You are a human communicating feelings. Every day in the shower, take your one sentence and spend 1 minute connecting it to a real feeling. Then use the shower's power. Say it loud with your happy voice. Hear the echo. Say it with the rhythm of the water. Play with it. This is how you don't just learn a sentence, you make it a part of who you are. Part 4. The secret revealed. So we started with a question. What is the secret ingredient? The secret is not just the shower. It is not just the sentence. It is not just the emotion. The secret ingredient is the powerful combination of all three. I call it emotional sound repetition. Let's break it down. Emotional. You connect the words to a real feeling. This makes it memorable. Sound. You use the shower to hear your voice clearly. This improves your pronunciation. Repetition. You practice it in a safe, private space. This builds confidence and muscle memory. This method works. It uses how our brain naturally learns. It connects language to life. It turns a daily routine into a powerful learning habit. You are already taking a shower every day. You just need to add one sentence, one feeling, 1 minute of practice. Start today. Your first sentence can be simple. I am doing a great job. Say it. Feel it. Believe it. You can watch this video again. Listen to the rhythm of my sentences. Try to copy it. The more you listen and repeat, the more natural you will sound. Practice makes progress. Thanks for watching, and as always, keep going and keep growing. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And subscribe to our channel for more simple tips. For our channel members, a PDF summary of today's key points is available. Click the Join button to learn more. I really appreciate you watching. See you next time.